Yeah, I know. I have to do something. Ciao guys, welcome to my new video. I'm Ivan and I'm in the electronic music scene more than 15 years, which don't mean that I'm very experienced and that I know everything. Actually, I don't know nothing. I just have my own experience. I remember back in the days when I still have a hair, I make a track. And for me, that track was my child. Literally. It was like, I'll never gonna play this track. This track it's only for me. I'm gonna save it. Now I don't even remember the name of the track. But then a lot of my friends told me like, Ivan, but you have to show this track to the world. Everybody has to hear the track. It's absolutely hit. And I am for sure convinced that you have hit in your music studio and that he is waiting somewhere for some maybe better production, maybe better times, maybe some guy who will hear the track and make an explosion of the track. But we never know. Then I sent that track to everybody that I know in that time, and the answer was the same. Even super, extra, nice, stuff like that. And then you start to believe that this track is going to be a hit. So what's the first that I did? I sent this track to all the main labels from industry in that time. And it was burning fire in me. What's gonna be? I have to wait. I will not sleep. I'll not sleep till somebody answer, you know? And nobody didn't answer. I was totally disappointed. And then suddenly one of my friends told me like, Ivan, but you cannot do anything with only one track, you know, it's your first track. So what I did, I'm fast make one more track. I add some FXs, you know, faster hi-hats, this. I sent again to all my friends, all the labels, everywhere, and buff, no answer. Now, 15 years later, I know what to do with the first track. If you want to know what to do with your first track that you have right now, just watch this video till the end and I'll explain you everything. Welcome. So let's say that you have a hit right now in your HDD drive. Like I have. We all have a hit in our studios, as I said. So what you gonna do with this track? You gonna send to all your friends? No man, don't do it, because there is your friends and everybody will tell you, man, this is great. And actually, man, it's not. Even they click the link and they will tell you, oh, it's super nice. So they wish you only the best, but they don't know how to do it the best. What's my suggestion? Send the track to the only one guy who really know the music. He will give you the right answer. The honest answer. Because the honest answer, it's only a really nice trigger to work harder and smarter. As you have right now in your studio hit, I have too. So let's say that is my first track. What I gonna do with this track? Let's just quick listen to the track so you will know what I'm talking about. This is one of my favorite parts. Do you like this? Nice, huh? This one part I like also. Okay, so the track is not mastered because I'm not doing mastering by myself. I have one really nice friend. His called is also Ivan, and his DJ name is Argon Sphere, and he's doing the really nice mastering. Also, I'm using G-Sonic services. Mastering, it's not the really important thing. Because if you do your mix proper, then mastering it's not that hard, you know. You just put a limiter, some compressor, and that's it. But if your mix is suck like mine, then you have to like master mastermind of mastering music. So let's go to the melodic house and techno top 100 tracks. What I'm gonna do before 15 years? I'm going here to the first one, Anjuna Deep, probably they are from India, and I'll send the message to this label to send them the track. Did you hear? It's not fitting my track and my style at all. So what I'm gonna do? I go to the last place and I'll play the last track. This one is more similar, right? So let's check another one. This one is too slow for my style. And this one too, Ridicon. Okay, I'll choose two labels and I'll send my track to these two labels called Mute Music, Mule Music, probably they are Mexicans, and Redicon Records. First time I hear for these two records because Van E, it's a like kind of new project, so I'm not deep into the techno scene. First of all, if it's your first track, be sure that the label will do mastering for you. Don't do mastering by yourself. It's not a good idea because if you hear wrong and then if you continue to hearing wrong on your speakers and in the room because of acoustics, if you continue to hear bad and then you are trying to fix the bad things and you cannot even hear it, you will not fix it. So just send to another guy to make a mastering. I hope that these guys are making mastering so I don't have to call Ivan. I feel shame every time when I call him, you know, because it's like a huge favor. He invests a lot of time to do mastering for me, and also he have to do for a label, for himself, for another friend, blah 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 blah, and then he don't have time for his own music. So don't bother your friends, just find a regular fine label for you which will fit to you. So marketing, mastering, these two things. Okay, this Radicon, I'll definitely send my track to Radicon and to Mule Music, and let's hope that they will answer and that they will accept my tracks and that they will do a killer marketing and killer mastering. I can make a video in the next one when I'm gonna talk about what's happened after, like what's how contract is looking, a lot of different things. Just let me know in the comments what you would like to know. And if you want a really nice marketing, and if label doesn't want to pay for your marketing, if you don't have money to pay for your own marketing, just do a mastering. Send to your friend to do a mastering for you and upload for free download. This is the best market for beginners. Yes, I know it's your baby. I know that you invest a lot of time, energy, money and everything. Your girl broke up with you because of this track. I know that. But just kill that child and just do it for free. Because anyway you will not earn any money from first releases. And this is the right opportunity for people to listen your track. What is the really big deal if the DJ in the club playing your track? This is the big deal. So try to find the DJ and just gift him a track. This will make much more things than your advertising on Facebook. And this is basically it. If you want to swim in these waters, you have to be like really calm and really patient, and you have to invest a double more energy, time and money than you invest till now if you want something to happen. And I would like to hear your track, so please just drop me a link of your track. It can be private link or but doesn't matter. I just want to hear your track and I'll give you a feedback and maybe where you can send the track. I'm really glad if I can help. So guys, thanks for watching this video and see you in another one. Ciao!